Apple's AirPods Pro lineup has been a game-changer ever since the first generation launched, bringing active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and seamless ecosystem integration into a sleek and compact design. With the second-generation AirPods Pro improving audio quality, adding adaptive transparency, and introducing Find My Precision tracking, Apple set an even higher bar. But now, in 2025, all eyes are on the upcoming AirPods Pro 3, and the leaks we've seen so far suggest that Apple is preparing its boldest update yet. This isn't just going to be a minor refresh, it could redefine what wireless earbuds are capable of. Today, we'll break down everything we know, from the design changes to the audio upgrades, the new health and AI-driven features, and of course, the expected price and launch date. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's begin with the design. According to reliable sources, the AirPods Pro 3 will feature a completely re-engineered form factor. While the iconic stem design isn't going away, Apple is said to be experimenting with a slimmer, more ergonomic fit that better adapts to different ear shapes. Early leaks show slightly shorter stems, improved ear tips for better seal and comfort, and even a redesigned charging case that is smaller but more feature-rich. Some insiders suggest that the new case may include a small display, similar to what we've seen rumored for future AirPods Max, which could show battery percentage, pairing info, or even Siri responses. While not confirmed, the possibility of a smart case adds an exciting twist to the story. Of course, the biggest improvements will come in audio quality. The AirPods Pro 3 are expected to feature Apple's new custom high dynamic range audio drivers paired with an upgraded H3 chip, the successor to the H2. This will allow for deeper bass, cleaner mids, and sharper highs, delivering a more immersive soundstage across genres. Spatial audio will get its biggest upgrade yet, with advanced head tracking and personalized sound calibration based on the shape of your ear. Imagine Apple scanning your ears via the iPhone's TrueDepth camera and tailoring sound delivery specifically to you. That's the kind of personalization Apple is rumored to be building into the AirPods Pro 3 experience. Active noise cancellation is also getting a major boost. The AirPods Pro 2 already set the standard, but leaks suggest that the AirPods Pro 3 will include adaptive ANC powered by AI, which dynamically adjusts the level of cancellation based on your environment. For example, if you're on a busy street, it will ramp up noise reduction, but if you're in a quiet office, it will dial things back to preserve battery life. This could make the AirPods Pro 3 the smartest noise-canceling earbuds on the market. Speaking of intelligence, AI is going to play a massive role in the new AirPods Pro. With Apple's heavy investment in on-device AI and the integration of the M-series neural technology into smaller chips, the H3 processor is rumored to bring real-time AI features to your ears. We're talking about live language translation, advanced Siri interactions, context-aware audio suggestions, and even smart health monitoring alerts. Imagine sitting on a train next to someone speaking another language, and your AirPods instantly translate the conversation into your native tongue, all without needing an internet connection. This kind of real-time AI assistance could be a headline feature that separates AirPods Pro 3 from every competitor. Another exciting leak points to health features. Apple has been working for years to turn AirPods into health tracking devices, and AirPods Pro 3 might finally make it happen. Reports suggest the inclusion of sensors capable of